Food chain, food web, energy pyramid. Movement of energy in the ecosystem happens when the producers convert sunlight and water into food. This energy is transferred as the consumers eat the producers or when higher order consumers eat the other consumers. The movement of energy can be shown as food chains, food webs and energy pyramids. A food chain shows the energy transfer when one organism eats another and obtains energy. For example, plants and grass produce energy from sunlight and water. When the grasshopper eats the grass, the energy from the grass is transferred to the grasshopper. When the fox consumes the grasshopper, it gains energy from the grasshopper. A food chain shows one path through which energy is passed in the ecosystem. In reality, many producers and consumers are part of a bigger food chain, as many consumers eat other consumers. Thus, the flow of energy in the ecosystem can be shown by a food web. For example, certain kinds of fish can eat both plants and snails. A frog can eat a grasshopper, fish and snail. A fox can eat grasshopper, frog and fish. Thus, unlike food chain, food webs interconnect. An organism in the ecosystem consumes food to obtain energy. Using this energy, the organism moves and carries out other activities. When the organism does these activities, it releases heat. When the heat is released, it loses energy. Thus, the next level consumer obtains less energy from this organism. The energy pyramid shows the amount of energy that moves from one feeding level to the other in a food web. The most energy is available to the producer. As the energy moves up the pyramid, each level has less energy available than the level below. The energy pyramid gets its name from the shape that is wider at the bottom and narrower at the top. Nearly 90% is converted into heat at each level of the pyramid. Hence, there are usually fewer organisms at the higher level in a food web, as there is not much energy that is transferred at the higher level.